Hey guys, it's your girl Nyx coming at you with another Bird Blend tea review. So this time round, because the weather has been absolutely, I would say gorgeous, but I'm not a fan of the summer. So it's been very, very warm and hot and yeah, dying. So as much as I love drinking tea, I do love me some iced tea. Or at least a cold tea anyway, like, like Lempton iced tea, blah, 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 blah. So when Bird Blend had cold brew options, I got very excited and I did order myself the strawberry lemonade. Two of my favourite things. And it was so simple to make. You literally add 6 teaspoons, and it's absolutely, it smells to die for. It looks amazing. This is a 50-gram pouch, and 6 teaspoons took about, we're here, so it took about just over a quarter. Now I did the big upsie of not putting it in one of my little tea bag empty tea bags that I have. So I put it in one of these like fruit diffuser workout bottle things. Now it worked because obviously all you got to do is just steep it overnight or minimum 2 hours. Best to have the best taste, leave it for 24 hours in the fridge. So it is nice and cold, and it has, as you can tell, infused really beautifully. But if you can see, it's floating around at the top. There's going to be bits everywhere, and it's not going to be a delightful mouthful when you have a drink. So I did go on Amazon, so this is kind of like a double review thing, and ordered a tea infused flask. I found a very beautiful one by a brand called Navaris, and it has a gorgeous mandala print on it. This says that it helps to brew your tea in the office or on the go. Elegant designs meet functionality. Double walled borosilicate glass, temperatures resistant from -20 up to plus 150 degrees Celsius. Removable strainer with a lid. Bottle and strainer are dishwasher safe, and lid should be cleaned manually. And then it actually has, it said the bottle must be warmed before filling with hot liquids, which is fine because I don't think I'm going to be putting hot liquids in this one. This one is purely going to be my cold brew, because when I'm drinking a hot drink, I'm drinking that at home. So let's take this out. So it comes in a really lovely, simple sleeve. There we go. It's a bamboo lid. So it's very eco-friendly as well, and the design is stunning. So let's open this up, and then inside will be our little tea strainer, which is perfect because you can see how tiny the strainer is. And obviously you don't have to have that in if you just want to use this as a normal water bottle, because obviously you got your little carry pouch. But with glass I am always a little bit more cautious. But this is stunning. So what I'm going to go and do is I'm going to quickly go and give this a good old rinse, transfer it over, and then we can do a proper taste test instead of having a taste test of a mouthful of floating herbs, basically. So I shall be back in a tick. Okie dokie, so I'm back, and oh my god, that is the most easiest thing to use. I will do a video when I do my next cold brew, and I'll show you guys how I make this, but this strainer was so much more easier to use, and it looks gorgeous. So the official Bird Blend strawberry lemonade cold brew taste test. So we smell. It just, it's just that summery, fruity. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Oh, that is so yummy. That's nice and cold. It's refreshing. You definitely tell it is a very much a summery fruit drink. On the website, I think it does taste like strawberry lemonade, but because I did it with water, it tastes like flat strawberry lemonade. But it does say on the website with the cold blends, the cold brew, sorry, you can have it with water, you can have it with milk, or you can actually have it with lemonade. So I think next time I do the strawberry lemonade, I'm actually going to go and buy some lemonade and try it mixed in with lemonade instead of water. But as it is, with just water, it's beautiful. And what I love about this is because I'm not a caffeine fan. I struggle with caffeine. I'm the opposite effect. When I have caffeine, I want to go to sleep. So these are like caffeine free, these are sugar free, these are like artificial flavors and coloring free. Everything is natural because of the ingredients in it, which I will tell you is apple pieces, hibiscus, elderberries, blackberry leaves, rosehip, lemon slices, orange peel, sunflower petals, strawberry pieces, and lime pieces. It's all natural. It tastes incredible. It's so beautiful. And yeah, I absolutely love this. This is beautiful stuff. And it says it can, how many servings can we get out of this? I will say, because it says roughly 4 to 6 teaspoons of this stuff, I reckon you could get 3, maybe 4 at a push servings of the strawberry lemonade of the 50 gram. So, and they're all really cheap as well. Like, the prices were incredible. I got quite a lot for about £35, and that's including a subscription. So without the subscription, just the teas I ordered would have cost 20, I think, something like that. So I've got a lot left over as well. I've got so much that I need to like sift through, because they gave me loads of extra little goodies and like little tester samples and stuff like that. So all the pouches that I purchased, I think were about £3.50. So for a 50 gram pouch, that's £3.50. That's incredible. So I only wanted a small pouch to start off with, but I didn't only want to be able to only have like one test. I wanted to be able to try it 2 times, because sometimes it takes a moment and another try for me to actually go, oh, actually no, I do really like this. So I got a little bit of a bigger bag, and I'm glad I did, because this is so gorgeous and I'm excited to try it next with lemonade. I have a couple more cold brews to try. So my next cold brew that I try, I will film it and show you how we make it using the actual tea strainer flask. And yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm in love, and that is just the most refreshing thing ever. And the fact that this has now gone really cold and I've only had it out for like a few minutes, and that's because the temperature just gives it all of that. And yeah, it's amazing. Like, the flask, 10 out of 10, love it. Bird blend, strawberry lemonade, 12 out of 10. Like, beautiful stuff, and I can't wait to order some more. Maybe this month I might try a few more blends. We shall see. But yeah, I hope this has helped. Obviously I will put the Bird and Blend tea link in the description, and I will put the description for the tea flask in the description too, because I give it a very good rating, which, yeah, I like my flasks. I have loads of flasks, but I've never had a tea straining flask, so that's new and I'm excited. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and enjoy the sunshine. have a fabulous weekend. Stay safe, stay positive, and I will see you all in the next video.